We're going to look at what a geometric sequence is. So just to review, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers that has a common difference. So it's adding or subtracting the same number from one term to the next. And we compared them to linear functions. Geometric sequences go up by the same number every time, but you're multiplying or dividing. So that's called a common ratio, not a common difference. And geometric sequences are similar to exponential functions. In this first sequence, the common ratio, what we're multiplying from one term to the next is -3. For this next one, what we're multiplying by every time is 1/2. You can always find the common ratio by doing the second term divided by the first term, or the third term divided by the second term. Just like with arithmetic sequences, we can find the common difference by taking the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term, and so on. We're going to come up with the general formula that we can use for a geometric sequence. So the first term is always the first term. The second term is the first term times the common ratio. For example, for the first sequence, we had the first term, which was 3, and we multiplied by the common ratio, which was -3, and we got the second term. The third term, we can take the first term, multiply it by r squared. So we take the first term, that 3, multiply it by r, and then by r again, and we'll get that third term. We could keep going, but we can generalize this by, if you notice, they all have an a sub 1, and then times r to the whatever this number is, it's 1 less in the exponent. So it's going to be, instead of n, we're going to have n minus 1. So that formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. Looking at an example, write the equation of the geometric sequence whose first term is 2 and common ratio is 4. With that general formula, the first term is 2, so a sub 1 is 2, times the common ratio is 4. And then just be careful because we cannot multiply those two. We can't do 2 times 4 because 4 has an exponent to it. So this is as simplified as we can get it.